gigantic pit. Following year, oddly enough, an earthquake hit Arizona and Mexico. Caused the ground beneath this house to give away. When that happened, house tilted, slid into the pit, and got stuck. Doesn't sound like much fun to have your place sitting in a hole. He didn't mind. He had his gold and his water supply, so he redecorated, used the tilt to his own advantage. Let's check that out. Oh my God. Water system. What it was used for was collect rainwater. Deliver it to the bucket by the steps. After the earthquake, it got a little messed up, so we had to redo it. But all he did was raised up this end here. Yeah, it didn't really work. When he tested it out, he found out a problem. Didn't matter how much water he'd pour up here, only a small amount came out the bottom. Russ continued to run uphill. When he couldn't figure out what was going on, he just liked to believe that gravity was playing tricks on him. If this happened in your house, you'd believe it too, because it makes it really hard to take a shower. Now, advantage, because he knew which pocket the balls would roll into. Can you guys guess which pocket that might be? Let's see what happens. They do roll into the top left corner. That made it easy for him to win. If anyone found out he was cheating, they'd take him to town and either hang him or shoot him. Pretty good lesson to learn. Don't cheat or else you get shot, especially out here. Now I need 2 volunteers for this first part. At a time, you're going to walk uphill into this corner. Turn around, walk right back downhill. It's extremely simple. Do not run, because if you do, you'll hit the wall really hard and everyone will laugh at you for it. So be careful, but give it a shot. See what it's like. There you go. Good job, young lady. Spots in the house. Miner put those in so you could refill the oil in his lantern. If you could, sir, grab the lantern. There you go. Not too hard to reach, was it? And that's the point of the steps. Well, the miner would bring his lady friends in and sit them in the chair. The reason he sat them there was so that they'd stay a little bit longer, because it's extremely hard to stand back up. Once they were sitting there, he liked to play tricks on them just to see what might happen. If he doesn't catch the ball, he'll roll back down and hit her in the head. So let's hope he's nice. There we go. Well, thankfully I'm just joking. It's a top and stops and not at me. He obviously is. He didn't bother to catch it. Now I think he's starting to get it with it.
For the train ride, guys.
Welcome aboard the Superstition and Railroad. I'm JB. I'll be your tour guide. At first, I'll have y'all look over.
Feel that nice cool air. Very nice. Now guys, this little shaft here is a little wider and taller than the typical shaft would have been. Normally it'd only go about 4 feet across, 6 feet tall. You didn't need much room, just enough to get an ore cart through. Average height and weight of a gentleman working underground is about 5'6" to 5'8" and 130 pounds. Now you guys are more than welcome to take as many pictures as you want, but I'm not allowed to let you video the tour.